Or can fine wine and a memorable meal help Toronto's homeless and at-risk youth? Yes, if you are enjoying them at the All Aboard Youth Ventures fundraising event tomorrow. We're going to find out more. Joining us right now, Robin H.C., a life coach and personal effectiveness trainer. I like that last part, personal effectiveness. That's what we're all trying to, I guess, do and find in life, including at youth risk. Let's talk about the event tomorrow night.
Absolutely.
How is this going to help at youth risk?
Well, we're really looking to raise awareness and certainly raise as much funds as we can. And All Aboard, what we do is we actually have a restaurant, we have a media company, and a woodwork shop where we take high-risk youth or challenged youth, and we put them into an environment where they're able to develop their skills. And these are young people that perhaps have been homeless, undereducated, but are certainly challenged on some level.
So they go to work in the restaurant. They go to work in the woodworking shop, and they're paid and they're treated like employees, and they treat their employers the way an employee should, and they go to business and they learn all about it.
Well, they're really exceptional young people, and part of the programs that we offer, 25% of the time is in fact spent on life skills. So really looking at their future and how how they can have some direction with their lives.
So as they're working and earning a living, they're being taught life skills.
Yes.
Wouldn't you wish that we could all have that in jobs through our early lives in order to prepare us for later in life?
Oh, in fact, I actually have a whole opinion on how that should be in the school system at a young age.
I'm sure. Now, these are kids that, if they're homeless and they don't have the education, but they're still smart, they've got that spark, no one wants to employ them. And I know that it's a real stigma attached to a homeless person, and it's very tough on them emotionally and their self-confidence. What difference does this make, and how well does this program work?
Oh, very well. I mean, I think we've had over 200 youth through, and what it really does for them is it actually creates self-esteem beyond what they've had in their past, because many of them have come from very challenging home environments, so they're actually learning their value and that they can make a difference.
So if they're living on the street, or they're in a terrible home situation, or they just feel the need to wander and find themselves, how do they find you and this organization?
Well, we're actually connected with several places in the city, so we sort of find them, and we have all sorts of counselors out there that are in contact with us.
So a place like Covenant House, for instance, might
Christopher
have...
House, absolutely.
Christopher House,
Yeah, they're aware of us. And then there's also our website, which is allaboardyouth.ca.
Fantastic.
So we can always be contacted through there.
Would it be all right if we mentioned the name of the restaurant and the address of the restaurant, really?
Absolutely.
So that people who are watching and may want to, lend a helping hand in a way and also enjoy a great meal might be able to do so.
Yeah, absolutely. It is the address. They're on Roncesvalles, which is number 413. We're undergoing renovations right now, but we do expect, and we have the youth in there working and doing the renovations, which is exceptional. So, and we expect to be open at the end of November.
Okay, and the name of that restaurant
is River Restaurant.
River Restaurant on Roncesvalles.
Yes.
Excellent. All right, now the event tomorrow night at Il Fornello, 207 Queen Key West, and it's a great event. What time does it begin?
Reception begins at 6.
Okay.
We're almost sold out. We've got a few tickets left, so we'd love to hear from people. Can I give out a phone number for that?
Yes, please. Absolutely.
It's 416-318-4118, and the contact is our Executive Director, Tom Freeman.
Okay, we've also got the website, so if anybody has any questions about this program in general or tomorrow night's fundraiser, go to the website and all your questions will be answered. Good for
Absolutely.
you. Why are you a part of this, just before we say goodbye?
Well, I'm just all about making a difference, and I actually live in the area, and that's how I discovered this group, and I just really enjoy working with charities.
Good for you. Thank you. Nice to see you.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks so much. Well, that wraps up this half hour. The top stories making Toronto's news straight ahead.